In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an optional guest in Google Calendar. This is really useful when you want to invite someone to a meeting, but you don't want to make it feel like they absolutely have to attend. Maybe it's a nice to have attendee or someone who's only needed if they're available. Marking them as optional makes that really clear in the invite. First, open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple calendars. Once the calendar loads, you'll see your week or month view with all your existing events. Next, click on the day where you want to create your new event. You can click directly on the time slot that works best for you. This opens a small, quick event pop-up, which is handy for simple events, but to add optional guests, we're going to use the full editor. In that pop-up, look for the option that says More Options and click it. This takes you to the detailed event page. Here you can adjust the title, date, time, location, and description of your event, and you can also manage your guest list. On the right-hand side of the event page, you'll see a section called Guests. Click into the field that says Add Guests. This is where you'll add the people you want to invite. Start typing the name or email address of the person you want to make optional. Google Calendar will suggest contacts based on your address book and previous emails. When you see the correct guest, click on their name to add them to the event. Once the guest has been added, look for a small person icon next to their name. Click on that icon to mark them as optional. When you do this, Google Calendar will visually indicate that this guest is not required. They will still receive the invitation and can respond, but everyone will know their attendance is optional. After that, take a moment to fill out the rest of your event details. Add a clear event title, set the correct start and end times, choose the location or video conferencing link, and add any notes or an agenda in the description. Double check your guest list and make sure the optional status is set correctly for the right people. When everything looks good, save the event and send the invitations. Your optional guest will now see that they're invited but not required to attend.